The following
I think it'll
is
be
scheduled
cool.
for one fall, making his way to Manitoba, Canada, weighing in at 224 pounds.
Oh shit.
And his opponent from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, weighing in at 241 pounds.
Think we could do it better.
Huh?
Think we could do it better. You think we could do it
I
better?
remember that match. I mean, that match was crazy. There was definitely some insane, ridiculous edits, but hey, it was still a good match.
I really like this Omega gear.
No, I don't remember. I commentated that match Omega Edge at the reunion. Bro, this Edge is so jacked. It's so ridiculous. I gotta change that body. I think because he has the abs, right? This person.
Yeah.
He just has to.
Oh yeah.
Remember first time. Who
Oh,
won
yeah,
this? Was it Omega?
No, it was Edge. Edge beat him.
Cope always goes over.
Terry Cope.
Cope Hogan, bro.
Terry Belayan. Oh, clean break. Clean break.
Oh.
Shamping up.
Dragon Japanese fans out here.
Shut the fuck up. Come here.
Then he's got that beef on him though. He's like Cthulhu. He's big, strong man.
I don't do the shit you do though.
Yo, Fat Cthulhu is best Cthulhu, okay? I don't care.
No, it's not.
No, you see what I'm doing though, because you already have that jacked body, right? The idea is like for the Shiro match, I'm just gonna be jacked as fuck. Like I'm just gonna like
beefed.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And then after the Shiro match, I'll just go back to being fat.
Imagine this is like the best match we've ever done.
This match is Shiro Cthulhu.
No, this. I'm talking about in our series of doing matches.
Well, let's be real though. I think we all know Seminol's gonna be like our greatest thing ever.
I'm scared for Seminole.
No, what we have planned will be fine. Like,
Oh, we shouldn't be talking about this. We should not be talking about this.
No one's watching. The worst. Who's the one viewer? Is it you?
Nope.
I don't know.
So
You can't keep everything a secret.
we're wrestling.
Well, no, I'm just gonna say the word Seminole. You don't have to even mention it. I already know it's gonna be, because I mean, Cthulhu Weaver was like, that was crazy, but like now imagine this is gonna be more stiff, right? Just brutal, I think. Anyways, Wolf, we're back here at WrestleMania.
This is the stage. Oh.
We are the WrestleMania reunion show, part 2.
Part 2? That shit has never come out.
Don't worry, if Edge comes back, Cthulhu Edge is happening. Like, it's gonna be insane. I texted Tomcat kind of like every idea. It's like, he was like, bro, you're fucking nuts. Chill out. Ooh. Like, Owens and Weaver, how much was it of you? How much was it with show-offs? Were y'all like 50-50 or were you more, like, how would you say? Owens and Weaver, were you guys 50-50 like ideas? Like who had the most? Like, did you do most of that shit, or did he?
We
all,
both
like,
came up. It was 50-50.
Okay.
Ah. Omega working. Ow. Ow. Oh yeah.
Yeah, Owens and Edge, I would say is Owens and Edge. AJ Edge that we did, I would say it's, I don't know, 4.25. I was thinking like could it be a 4.5? It was really good. It's up. It's like that range. How you watch it. Oh, okay.
Popped him in the mouth for a second there.
Who do you think you are, bro?
I'm Kenny Omega, the greatest wrestler ever. Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
You like it?
Hey. Whoa.
Trying to one up.
We're going at it.
Oh my god, you gotta do Edge Weaver.
Relax. I'm not trying to
If this cooks, we're doing Edge and Weaver. This cooks.
Got him. This referee is about to be...
Tired. He's getting tired.
From what?
Counting, bro.
Bro, all he has to do is slam his arm on the... Yeah, alright, you got that, Edge. You got that, Edge.
More than the wrestlers, man.
You got that, Edge. I'll give it to you. Alright, let's go. Ugh, give me that waist lock. Uh-oh. Nope. Damn it. I can't get an up on him. Oh. Hey.
I'm almost 3-0 for Edge as far as matches look like on YouTube.
100% match rating.
Well, I mean, like on the channel, because really I say no. Even remember we did Edge and Hardy, that was good too.
Oh yeah.
That wasn't uploaded. That's on Twitch. I think I still do.
Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. Omega's had to slow down his style ever since those New Japan days.
Well, we all know Coke, not as he could still pull out some crazy stuff. He's not as athletic, but he can bring that heart and brawling side into him. Whoa. Oh wait. No way! Oh!
Yeah!
Oh!
Yeah! Both of them trying to go for signature moves there. Omega went for that V-trigger, got caught in the ropes.
Gonna go down with that sleeper hold, Edge.
Oh! Omega. Trying to get the up on Edge. Oh no! Oh!
Beautiful, he caught him.
And this is where Omega gets to put in that work. Takes him down. Oh.
I mean, as we can imagine, a 50-year-old Edge, I mean, we all know, I think Omega is going to control those early stages. But again, name a more resilient superstar in our community than this man took to do.
I know, but I don't think that's going to stop Kenny Omega.
Another backbreaker.
And he's known for those destructive back and gut busters.
Well, we also defiant, though.
Oh yeah. Omega trying to think of what he has to do. He's already got some good structure on his plate.
I mean, another thing about Edge, it takes some people off guard. Edge can get up later in the match like it's nothing and just says bring it. I mean, people are shocked by this man. How he's still able to fight in a match. Edge.
Nice calf kick by Edge, and Omega's out of the ring.
Wow. It was just like that. Edge can get that back some feeling here. No way.
Here comes Edge.
I'm saying, Wolf, Edge will still take these chances. It might not look as flashy as it once was, but he still will take those chances, Wolf.
And we know one thing that happened in the match with him and Omega was that Omega got risky. He got too confident, so he tried to go for the top. He tried to do an avalanche one-winged angel. But Edge countered into that avalanche destroyer that I don't think he's ever hit besides that match.
Ooh, there it is. Saw Edge even then doing some more flex of 2 drop kicks in a row. He's still proven, Wolf.
One thing that I can also say when it comes to the style of these old timers still trying to go is that they always show some new grit that they didn't show when they're younger days.
Anyone who has grit, he'll tell you it's this man Edge. I got grit. Oh, that's what he said. We usually see the combo. Can he lock in the crossface fully?
Oh, gonna get it, gonna get it. Oh, but you can already see Omega trying to protect the face, Nice escape by Omega.
You saw Edge pull out that Russian leg sweep into the roll through in the Orton match with the crossface. Still pulling out some stuff. Whoa.
Whoa. Omega wraps around. Chokehold, no.
What a count. Whoa. Both of these. Oh.
And now Edge trying to grab him. Oh, no. Does he have him? Nope.
Omega's not going to let someone like Edge beat him again.
And there's that. Uh-oh. We know what follows after that. Omega looking to follow up after the basement dropkick. Here we go. Katara.
Inverted Zack attack. Rough Rider.
Zack attack.
Rough Rider. What is the Zack attack? Is that the same thing?
I don't know. I don't know.
You're not a Matt Cardona fan?
Nope.
I don't know. He's alright. They had a good match though in AEW. Oh no!
Oh my God! Omega now putting the wear and tear, and this is already not looking good for the Rated R Superstar. Omega.
Oh
no. Looking to do some big damn. Whoa!
What a counter from Edge.
Edge little rope.
Oh
no!
Oh wait! Oh no! Wait a second!
We're in the territory of Omega. You can't escape.
Got him!
Beautiful wrestling we're seeing here. 1, 2, and Edge still kicking out.
Yeah, I mean AJ also. We saw Edge with that AJ match. He also caught him from that cross body. Oh no!
Now Omega gonna find his way. We're gonna take Edge to the middle.
It's called high risk for a reason. Oh wow.
Drops him down, and now here we go with that flashing elbow. Bang!
I didn't know that. That's such an Omega elbow. That's definitely his.
1, 2, and Edge again. This is what you were saying. He's very resilient.
That's what I'm saying right there. Catches the opponents off guards. Edge. Oh no.
And now Omega. We're going to go for it one more time just to keep Edge down. Flashing elbow. Oh, again.
How beautiful is that? Very simple, but the smoothness, the execution.
We know Omega is going to stay on the things that are going to help him win this. Bam. This is elbows to the back of Edge.
Edge keeps saying, bring me more, motherfucker. Bring these elbows. Oh, no.
And he falls. That's one thing about Edge. He might be able to fight. But it usually costs him in the long run. And now Omega! And what for the choke? Oh, dodge!
Oh, wait, kill switch.
Go, Ben! Omega! Get him down!
And there it is.
That time!
Here's a charm.
1, 2, and Edge again!
These 1 counts. Maybe
and
that's getting in the head
Omega.
Of Omega, but Edge is going to have to maintain. He's going to have to keep it up, save his energy with these chops.
And Edge looking to form some kind of a comeback. Sends Omega onto the rope.
Can he do it? Look at Edge.
Whoa! Dodge by Omega! Sends him over the rope. Oh no. This is not a place where you want to be with the best bout machine. And now wait a minute, drops down.
Hey, watch out! Come on, Edge.
Edge now. Looking to build some steam. What an elbow.
Edge saw what Omega was doing, maybe.
Sends him into the ring. And this is not territory that you want to be in. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no. Omega. Omega. No. Oh, to the back.
Was Edge thinking slingshot spear Wolf?
I think Omega saw. And that might have just costed the Rated R Superstar.
Edge looks dead.
Omega sends him back into the ring. Looking to line him up.
Holy!
Drop kick. Omega 2 kicked out by Edge again.
Edge needs to. Oh my goodness.
And Omega looking to not waste any time. Bounces off.
No.
Schoolboy, no. Oh, what a kick.
Where'd that come from?
And now Edge. Schoolboy. No.
I thought Edge had
And Omega, the back of Edge has been damaged to the match. This could be it. Oh, look at the power. Omega now in trouble. No. Omega now trying to find a way back up to his feet. Edge looks to come up big. Here comes the Rated R Superstar. Bam!
He's trying to form some type of comeback, Wolf.
Maybe one more.
Shit.
Edge now. Look at it, set Omega to the other side.
Bro, sorry.
Oh no! Shot to the mouth. Omega middle rope.
Drop kick.
Another drop kick. Edge now.
Edge.
Whoa!
Where did that come from?
I don't know.
Wait, what the? Already? Can he get it?
And I look at Omega. Omega already to the top of the ropes. Not trying to let Edge get it in. Shoves him off into the corner.
Oh no.
Omega now looks to line up Edge. Goes through. Does the first knee. And Omega falls into the other corner. This already might be it for Edge. There it is. Covered by Omega. And Edge grabs the ropes, and that's not good. That means Edge can't take too much on the neck.
Already, man. I mean, this match has been going on for a minute, but Edge, just like that.
And now, wait a minute, Omega. One-way Dangle. Trying to pop him up, trying to put him away right here. No.
Oh, Edge. Come on, Edge.
Edge's going to fight out of it.
Oh, no.
And oh, no. Oh, no. Dragon Rush. No.
Wait, look at this. What the heck?
Electric. Whoa. Wow.
What a move.
Where the hell
haven't
did
seen that in
pull that
years.
off from?
Oh, no. Omega.
Set them out. Edge now. This is what he was waiting for. Are we serious? Edge, there's no way.
Edge, don't do it.
What a dive.
Who would think in a match with Edge and Omega, Edge is the one taking the big risk? This is crazy.
Omega got taken off of his game.
Come on. He needs to form some type of comeback. Edge finally has it. Boom.
Bam! But he's tired, you can see. Punched him out of it! Omega took a huge bump!
And again! He's going one more. Come on.
And Omega with the double axe! Omega now with a second! Follows up. Moonsault. Cover on Edge. Looks for the 1, the 2, and no. Omega clubs to the back. Trying to stun. Uh-oh. The Best Bound Machine knows where he is.
Oh my god.
Looking for the rise of the Terminator. Oh, break.
Wait, oh! What?
Omega takes
Wait,
the
Wolf.
bomb.
Oh no! No way!
Execution on the outside.
You gotta get him in the ring!
Omega's done.
Did you notice Omega's back might be screwed, Wolf?
That was a huge bump. Omega might be done for. Edge turns
Oh,
him
wait.
around.
Oh, yeah.
Shooter on Omega. But look at Omega already grabbing the ropes. And I'm trying to get it back and go. Omega shifts. And now Omega.
Wow.
Omega.
All that damage to the back.
Edge now in trouble. He needs to get Omega off. And oh, wait a minute, Omega pulling the ground. No.
Canada's running wild for sure, Wolf.
Omega showing why he's one of the best goddamn wrestlers on the planet.
Come on, Edge. Edge needs to do something. That's a
I don't know
still
what
a
he
long...
can do. He can't roll him off. The back's too damaged. I don't know what the hell Edge can do.
Wolf, no. There's no...
No way! Edge with the power! Forces him off. There's the line! There's the line from Edge! Edge is back in it! Here comes Edge! And the winning Edge!
Yes!
Picks him up!
Oh yeah, take another.
Winning Edge part 2!
Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness.
Winning
Wolf.
Edge part 3! Come on, Omega! 1,
Oh,
and Omega needing to use the ropes this time.
he could have won it there.
Edge was so close. And wait a minute, look out, Edge. Omega from behind. Omega with a knee to the spine. Taking advantage of Edge. Slow jumping knee.
Ooh, his neck.
And oh no, that's an trying to take out Edge. Oh, Edge from out of nowhere. Edge for the win. Edge for the win. No. No, Omega.
What do you do, Wolf?
I don't know. Omega trying to circle himself around. And I tried to take him off. Oh no! Omega! Oh, the missile drop kick! Can you turn around for me when I tell you to?
How do I do that? Is it
Just tell me more. Just I'll tell you when to turn around. If it works properly, just come over a little. Now. Hello! Omega! Oh my god!
we'll just say it did. Back of the neck.
Same way he did Kazuchika Okada! Omega! Lining up at point! Oh my god!
He's done.
Omega looking to line up one more V-trigger! Runs in! No, counter by Edge! Edge Edge puts him up again. Wait a minute. Cow slams. Christian beat Omega for the TNA World Title. No, not enough.
Oh my god. Come on,
Omega
Edge.
with another Saints kick out. Edge looks him. Oh no! Stop! Dragon Rush. Dragon Rush. Neck destroyed. Kenny Omega got him. And I'm still trying to get him, but Omega made it. No! Oh, it's Venom! It's Venom! I don't know where this is coming from!
Oh no.
Omega! Edge! Oh my god! Omega trying to power out of the Venom! No, shot! And another! And another!
Good lord, those shots.
Omega! Oh no! No, 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 no! Omega! Caught him on the side of the head!
Oh, he's done, bro.
Edge has to be done! Omega now! Middle rope! Rolls through it all! He got the spell! Edge! Point blank! 2! No! Almost 10! Kenny Omega!
Oh my god.
What a match!
These two Canadians.
Look at these two! Oh! What a match we're seeing! Shots in the face! Repeated shots, these two are not gonna die! My god! Look at this! Look at the stripes! And oh yeah! These two rolling their hands! And Omega beats them out! Oh! Oh my god! Throws them around! And
Oh, no.
looks for the one-way danger! Looks for the one-way, no! No! Two! And Edge with another kick out! But Omega's not gonna let him live! Rolls him out! B! Trigger! Are you kidding me? Omega runs in! No! Went for another B trigger! Caught him! Caught him! Omega! Omega with one of the greatest catches I've ever seen! Big trigger!
Let's do it.
1, 2! Edge with a kick out! Omega now picking him up. Looks to drop him one more time. But this time, Omega looks to combo up. The strength of Kenny Omega, Dr. Bomb. One by Edge. Edge back up at 1. But Omega trying to pop it. No! Escape! What an escape from Edge! And now Edge! Oh! Kick to the top of the dome! Kick to the top of the dome! No! Omega, no! Omega, no! Oh my god! Omega, what are you doing? Stop!
Oh, he's gonna kill him.
Jesus! And another shot! Double cross fisherman buster across the knee! And Edge with another one!
I don't even think he can get
Omega
up.
can't fucking believe it! Come on, Goyen. What? Edge is on his feet. Edge is laying in, but Omega's not backing down. Lining up. Oh, slap to the face. He said, fuck your V-trigger, you son of a bitch. And oh no, Omega to the leg. Omega to the leg. Choke hold. Not what I wanted. One more time. No, to the side of the head. Omega collapses.
He can't capitalize. Edge's neck, man. It's
Omega's gonna make sure Edge lives to regret. No! And oh my god!
he's
Stop it, Edge! For your own sake! And went to go for the hip splash! Edge with another counter! Oh my god! He's going for the destroyer again! Omega remembered! Omega remembered! Omega remembered it! They took it from out of the corner! Oh no! Dragon Rush! But the ropes! The ropes saved Edge! Omega's losing his goddamn mind! Omega had this match won!
Oh, wait!
Whoa! Oh, thank you, Omega! 1, 2, no! I thought we were gonna see the same fake out that he did for years! Edge, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
Wait a minute! Wait a minute! We saw this against Seth Rollins! Neckbreaker! Edge is pulling out all the stops against Kenny Omega! Oh my god! The Destroyer!
It's doing.
Kenny Omega is the what? What? Are you kidding me? Edge drops him on his goddamn neck with an execution! Oh my god!
He beat Nathan.
He beat Nathan with his goddamn choke! Omega's about to go out! Omega's going out! Oh my god. Omega! It's do or die! Omega breaks the grip! Wait, what is that look in Omega's eyes? Omega! Omega, no! 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 Omega, what have you done? Omega! Looking for Kota Ibushi Golden! No! Oh, dodge!
Oh.
Elbow to the back of the neck! Edge! Edge into the corner! No! Omega with another kick out! Another kick out! Spare, no! Omega! Omega! Me! Oh my fuck! And what? Spare! 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 Spare!
I'm telling you.
One more spare! Oh, wait a minute, the crossface! Crossface revenge! Crossface revenge!
He's gonna tap him.
Omega! Don't tap out! Don't you dare tap! Omega's trying to break the grip of the hands! No! Edge pulls back! Omega! There's no way! No! Edge is still trying to keep it in!
It's gotta
Omega in trouble! No! Omega fights! Kick! No! Oh my god! He caught him on the nose! Oh no!
Don't do this.
Trigger! Oh my god!
He's gonna get revenge.
One winged angel! That's with the countdown! I can't believe it! I can't believe it! It's with another countdown for Omega! Omega's lost his damn mind! Omega's lost his damn mind! Another devastating thing! Trigger!
He's gonna kill him.
Are you? Oh, Edge.
No.
It's been fun, Edge. But it is all over for you. What? No! 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 It's not over! No, it's not over! Edge! Edge with the O'Connor! Edge with the O'Connor! O'Connor and Omega! O'Connor and Omega! Edge! Edge! No, we took the three! I swear we took the three! I swear! I swear! No! Edge trying to get back up! Come on, guy!
Omega! Exclamation point.
Kenny Omega! Oh my god! Avalanche! One winged angel! Kenny Omega! 1, 2, 3!
God.
God damn it!